Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N19H2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N19H2's hard drive isn't showing up, it could be due to a faulty connection, a damaged drive, or even a corrupted file system. If left unattended, this issue may lead to data loss or further damage to your device, making it crucial to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement hard drive compatible with the Acer N19H2. To begin the repair, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place the Acer N19H2 on a clean, flat surface. Using the plastic prying tool, gently insert it into the seam around the device's casing. Carefully work your way around, releasing the clips without applying too much force, as this could damage the casing. Once you have opened it, locate the hard drive, which is typically secured in a dedicated compartment. You will see screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Remember to keep them in a safe place for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently disconnect any cables attached to the hard drive. It's important to pull on the connector, not the wires, to avoid damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, slide the hard drive out of its compartment and replace it with the new one. Make sure to connect the cable securely and reattach the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is secured, position the casing back together, ensuring all clips align correctly. Finally, power on your device and check if the hard drive is now detected. If your system recognizes the new hard drive, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure that your device receives regular updates and perform routine checks on your hard drive's health. Avoid sudden power cuts and always handle your device with care to prevent physical damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.